In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video black and white in CapCut PC. If you want to instantly remove all the color from your footage for a classic monochrome look, or simply make something on screen stand out more clearly, this is one of the easiest edits you can do in CapCut on your PC. The good news is that it only takes a few quick adjustments, and once you know where to look, you can do it in seconds. Start by going down to your timeline and clicking once directly on the video clip you want to edit. Make sure the clip is selected and highlighted with a white border. This part is important because if the clip is not selected first, the settings you change on the right side may not apply to the footage you actually want to adjust. Once your clip is selected, move to the top right Properties panel. In that workspace, click on the Adjustment option. After that, make sure the Basic subtab is selected. This is where CapCut keeps the core image controls for your clip, including the setting that lets you remove color completely. Now scroll down slightly through the basic settings until you find Saturation. This control changes how intense or vivid the colors in your video appear. If you increase it, colors become stronger. If you lower it, colors become more muted. To turn your video fully black and white, click the Saturation slider and drag it all the way to the left until it reaches -50. As soon as you do that, check the preview window. You'll see all the color disappear, leaving you with a clean black and white image right away. If your video includes text, spreadsheet lines, formulas, or anything else that needs to look especially sharp and readable, there's one more small tweak that can help. Scroll slightly back up to the light section and find the contrast slider. Drag it a little to the right to around +10. This gives the image a bit more separation between dark and light areas. In simple terms, it deepens the blacks, brightens the whites, and can make on-screen details look crisper and easier to read. And that's it. With just a couple of quick slider adjustments, you've converted your video to black and white and improved clarity at the same time. The effect is clean, fast, and easy to fine-tune inside CapCut PC. You're all set, and your monochrome edit is done.